An elegant black curved cabinet becomes a striking accent and focal point in this Japanese style tiny home, bringing a refined sense of beauty to the compact living space. Its soft, flowing curves contrast beautifully with the otherwise clean and minimal lines typical of Japanese interior design, adding a layer of sophistication and visual balance without overwhelming the room. Strategically placed top a stage cabinet, this curved black cabinet is not just decorative, it's a clever spatial solution. By utilizing vertical layering, it maximizes storage capacity without sacrificing floor space, maintaining a sense of openness in the tiny homes. The positioning also draws the eye upward, making the room feel taller and more expansive than it is. This thoughtful design just reflects the essence of Japanese minimalism with a modern twist, where every element serves both function and form. The combination of curve, elegance, and practical positioning elevate the space, turning a simple cabinet into a centerpiece that embodies creativity, utility, and style in small space living.